Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your DOOGEE X97 Pro. So in the first step we have to open the web browser, then go to the google.com like here, and now it's very important step, and remember about that, but it's necessary. Switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now tap on the camera icon and choose upload a file. Allow permissions to the files and choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one for example. Now tap on the done and whole process starting automatically, and now we are looking for similar or exactly same image in the Google database. And that's it, this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or comment, and goodbye.